Over the past few months, my office, alongside the St. James Municipal Corporation, has come under intense public scrutiny regarding the execution of our lawful duties. While speculation continues to swirl, the facts remain straightforward. Since 2024, political aspirants have been placing campaign signs across the municipality of St. James in preparation for the upcoming general elections. The corporation has consistently monitored these activities. However, it was only when signage encroached upon the designated revenue-generating areas that our enforcement unit was mobilized to act strictly within the confines of the law. Let me be unequivocally clear that the St. James Municipal Corporation is neither green or orange. We are a statutory body, guided solely by the laws of Jamaica and committed to maintaining order, development control, and the integrity of our public spaces. Unfortunately, political operatives have sought to mischaracterize our actions as politically motivated, accusing us of victimization, threats to democracy, and unfairness. These claims are not only baseless, but also ignore the consistent enforcement efforts we have undertaken over the past year. The only difference now is that the season is heightened, a sensitive political season. 2 weeks after the election period concludes, we will resume our enforcement activities as planned. On Sunday, one political aspirant again tested the resolve of our city management. In response, our team acted swiftly and lawfully to abate the breach. Let it be clear, the recent legal injunction was not a victory over the St. James Municipal Corporation. We have remained silent on the matter out of respect for the ongoing judicial review. However, when the individual in question violated the court's ruling, which was intended to maintain calm during the review, we were compelled to act once more. Today, at 3:49 p.m., the aspirant finally paid for the space that sparked this entire controversy. With that, good sense has prevailed and order has been restored. Let the people of Jamaica reflect on this. It was never about democracy under threat. It was about optics. It was about the show. We remain committed to upholding the laws, serving the public interest, and ensuring that Montego Bay continues to grow in order, dignity, and fairness.